This is the HiPipo Include Everyone program, a groundbreaking initiative bridging the digital and financial inclusion gap in the COMESA region. Women in Zambia and Malawi, particularly those living in rural areas, face significant barriers to accessing affordable and timely health care.
There are 21.1 million women in Zambia and Malawi, and 60% of those women do not have health care insurance or are not given proper health care services. So meaning about 12 million plus women do not receive proper health care.
It is this challenge that Team MediPay set out to address when they participated in the COMESA Women in FinTech Hackathon for Zambia and Malawi.
We are a group of engineering students studying at DMI St. Eugene University, and we are in our final year. And we are developing a FinTech application called MediPay, which basically deals with loans, insurance, and savings for women who are underprivileged and cannot have access to healthcare services.
According to team members, they developed a cross-border digital health financing and payment platform that enables women to access, save for, and pay for healthcare services.
Basically, MediPay is a FinTech application which is designed to help underprivileged women who do not have access to healthcare services by providing them with loans, insurance, and the savings account.
Over the course of 3 days, the team ideated and engaged with facilitators and mentors to fine-tune their solution.
Are you hoping to actually have a real health insurance backing you up where you'll be able to trade this off, or you hope to get the health insurance license yourselves to be able to run this?
So if you look at this slide, we have those partners there as stakeholders. So we intend to partner with loan companies and insurance providers. So they'll be the ones to sponsor the loans and the insurance. And that is why the impact on their side is that they will have an expanded service offering and an increased customer base who will go to them through MediPay.
Could you consider men as well?
Yes. So the platform is designed mostly with women in mind, but we understand men, students can also use this. So it's actually open to all.
Given that you're going cross-border, internally or locally in a country, it could be easier to navigate. When you start crossing borders, there's so many considerations. What is your strategy?
We intend to partner with hospitals, clinics. So you will go to a MediPay partner hospital, and then you'll be able to access the health services. So for us to onboard a healthcare provider as a partner, there are country regulations in that regard. So say if there are specific things they must meet as a healthcare service provider to be onboarded, according to their country's laws, and then we'll tailor the platform to support that.
They describe the experience as stressful, but ultimately rewarding.
The experience overall has been good, but nerve-wracking, stressful, and quite tiresome, but I would say it has been worth it. The networking that has been done, I have learned new things. As a software developer, you don't really get to know much about business, but this has given me insights about business and how I should approach the business world, because in as much as I am in tech, I cannot do it without the business aspect. Our entire experience here has been very positive. We have learned how to work under stressful conditions because we have been only given 3 days to create these applications. So it has really taught us how to create apps in a timely manner and to follow schedules. And also, we've also learned a lot from other people because we've learned how to use the Moduloop APIs.
The team was especially excited to be introduced to Moduloop, an open source software that supports real-time payment systems.
We want clearing to happen in under 1 second. So if I'm going to send money to you, it must arrive on the other side in 1 second. You know, there's examples like if you get into a minibus or something like that, you just want the transaction to happen then and there. You don't want to have to be waiting. Oh no, it hasn't gone through.
If you request for a loan on our platform, which the loans which are specifically only for your medical bills, in cases where the money that you saved in our wallet wasn't enough to cater for those medical bills. So we'll give you an instant payment, even if regardless you're in Malawi, you are from Zambia, you go to Malawi, you'll be able to access medical care. You won't have to pay out of pocket. And then also the security of the Moja Loop. It's giving us the security that even when we have the money, holding people's money, it's secure, and we'll have end-to-end encryption and privacy for people's money.
They were also thrilled with overall organization of the event.
We'd like to say thank you to the organizers, who are CBC, HiPipo, and Gates Foundation, for this opportunity for such an initiative of empowering women mostly, and landscaping the tech space, and basically also teaching us how to manage our finances as business, as tech people, and how to approach investors. I have learned how to go into those offices confidently. So this has really helped us, and we hope to continue and see more activities like this.
Hi, people!
With generous support from the Gates Foundation and in partnership with COMESA Business Council, HiPipo is empowering communities to ensure inclusion and shared benefits for everyone.